Hello kitchen lovers! Welcome back to my channel, where we call everyone obsession. Today, we dive deep into the world of stainless steel kitchen faucets. Across brands synonymous with quality and innovation. We'll rank them below. Best 3 stainless steel pull-down kitchen faucet, so you can simplify your tough decisions and find the perfect match for your kitchen. Rain. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for all about kitchen gadgets latest update. So, let's begin it. Number 1. Delta Leland 917 8-speed DC Spot Shield Stainless Steel Kitchen Faucet. The Delta Leland 917 8-speed DC Spot Shield Stainless Steel Kitchen Faucet is a classic faucet with a modern touch. It features a pull-down sprayer with shield spray technology, which provides a powerful, focused stream of water to clean dishes and a soft spray for rinsing fruits and vegetables. The faucet also has a magnetite docking system that securely holds the sprayer in place when not in use. Here are some of the key features of the Delta Leland 917 8-speed DC Spot Shield Stainless Steel Kitchen Faucet. Traditional styling with modern functionality. The Leland faucet has a classic look that will complement any kitchen style, but it also comes packed with modern features like a pull-down sprayer and touch cleanse spray holes. Pull-down sprayer with shield spray technology. The pull-down sprayer makes it easy to reach all areas of your sink, and the shield spray technology provides a powerful spray that rinses away food debris without splattering. Magnetite docking. The magnetite docking system uses a powerful magnet to keep the spray head securely in place when not in use. Diamond seal technology. Delta's diamond seal technology uses a ceramic disc to create a leak-proof seal that is guaranteed to last for life. Touch clean spray holes. The touch clean spray holes allow you to easily wipe away mineral deposits with just the touch of your finger. Spot Shield Finish. The Spot Shield Finish helps to resist water spots and fingerprints, making it easy to keep your faucet looking clean. Lifetime Limited Warranty. Delta faucets are backed by a lifetime limited warranty, so you can be confident that your faucet will last for years to come. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons of the Delta Leland 917 8-speed DC Spot Shield Stainless Steel Kitchen Faucet to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Pros: functional and convenient, durable and reliable, easy to clean, stylish and versatile, lifetime warranty. Cons: single-handle design, installation complexity. Ultimately, Delta Leland 917 8-speed DC Spot Shield Stainless Steel Kitchen Faucet is a high-quality, stylish, and functional option for homeowners looking for a premium faucet experience. However, its higher price point and potential installation challenges may be deal-breakers for some. Weigh the pros and cons carefully and consider your needs and budget before making a decision. Number 2. Kraus KPF 1690 AFS Brit Pre-Rinse or Commercial Stainless Steel Kitchen Faucet. The Brit Commercial Faucet blends performance and style to help you build the kitchen of your dreams. The sleek contemporary design features a commercial-style open-coil spring spout with flexible hose and secure docking arm. The 3-function spray head optimizes your workflow by allowing you to switch from a steady aerated stream for aerated cleaning to a powerful spray for blasting away stubborn food residue, or to pause the flow of water with the touch of a large non-slip rubber button. Soft rubber nozzles make the spray face easy to clean and maintain a lasting powerful flow. Available in multiple flawless finish options, including all bright spot-free stainless steel finish, which helps to prevent fingerprints and requires less cleaning. Here are some of the specific features about the Kraus KPF 1690 AFS Brit Pre-Rinse or Commercial Stainless Steel Kitchen Faucet. Commercial style faucet is both flexible and functional, with a Heavy-duty open coil spring spout for an industrial look. High arc spout with stainless steel hose offers increased sprayer mobility with ample room for large pots and tall pitchers. Two-tone brushed gold or matte black finish creates a striking, modern look with a rich, warm feel. Wear-resistant finish will not fade or tarnish over time. Available in multiple finish options so you can create a look you love. 3-function spray head with large non-slip rubber button switches. Between aerated stream for everyday cleaning to powerful spray for heavy-duty rinsing to pausing the flow of water. Docking arm with holder keeps flexible spring sprayer securely in place. Smart handle design. Single handle operates with 90-degree forward rotation, allowing for installation in tighter spaces with no backsplash clearance needed. Premium ceramic cartridge. Provides long-lasting leak-free use. Spout swivels 360 degrees for a full range of motion. Faucet dimensions. Faucet height 20 and 5/8 in. Spout height 6 and 3/8 in. Spout reach 8.5 in. Flow rate 1.8 GPM. Lifetime limited warranty. Satisfaction guaranteed with top-rated customer service that always puts you first. Here is a summary of the pros and cons of the Kraus KPF 1690 AFS Brit Pre-Rinse or Commercial Stainless Steel Kitchen Faucet. Pros: commercial style design, durable construction, 3-function spray head, easy to clean, lifetime warranty. Cons: large size. Overall, the Kraus KPF 1690 AFS Brit Pre-Rinse or Commercial Stainless Steel Kitchen Faucet is a well-made and stylish faucet that is perfect for busy kitchens. However, it is important to consider the size, price, and installation difficulty before making a purchase. Number 3. Moen S75005 Evsers Neo Spot Resist Stainless Contemporary Smart Faucet. The Moen S75005 Evsers Neo Spot Resist Stainless Contemporary Smart Faucet. From precise temperature and exact measurement to faucet operation from any one of 4 controls, Moen has taken the kitchen faucet to the next level. Moen Smart Faucet is the only voice-activated kitchen faucet on the commercial market to offer voice and hands-free activation regardless of the faucet's manual handle position. The Neo Faucet features an architectural stature that balances perfectly with a soft, modern style. For customization, a secondary finish handle option is included. Here are some of the specific features. Moen S75005 Evsers Neo Spot Resist Stainless Contemporary Smart Faucet. Control your kitchen faucet with 4 methods. Features 4 unique methods of control that you can mix and match, independent of the handle position. Voice, app, hands-free, or manual. Precise water measurements. Precisely dispense water at desired temperature up to 120 degrees F and volume as little as 1 TSP or as much as 15 gallons. Customizable presets. Fully customizable presets for exact measurements and exact temperatures will make daily tasks a breeze. Voice-activated capability. Combine specific temperature and specific measurement or mix generic commands with specific commands. For example, Alexa, hey Google, ask Moen to dispense 1 cup of hot water. Create your own personalized presets in the app to facilitate quick delivery of common tasks. For example, Alexa, hey Google, tell Moen to fill the baby bottle. Hands-free convenience. Wave sensor positioned at the front of the faucet starts and stops the water flow with a simple hand movement without touching the faucet. App. Use the Moen app to provide personalized experiences as well as control the faucet directly. Interactive iOS or Android application provides usage data, customizable settings, and control of all your Moen network products. Requirements for voice control: smartphone, Amazon or Google Smart Speaker, and wireless internet. I can tell you about the power and performance of the Moen S75005 Evsers Neo Spot Resist Stainless Contemporary Smart Faucet. Power boost. Get a powerful blast of water at the touch of a button. perfect for rinsing dishes or filling large pots quickly. Reflex system, experience smooth operation, effortless movement, and secure docking of the pull-down sprayer. Here are some additional features that you may want to include in your product description. Chrome finish adds a sleek and stylish touch to your kitchen. Duralock Quick Connect system enables easy installation. ADA compliant, suitable for users with disabilities. 5-year warranty on digital components and limited lifetime warranty on trim ensures long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Moen S75005 Evser's Neo Spot Resist Stainless. Contemporary Smart Faucet Pros and Cons. Pros: convenience and hygiene, precise water control, powerful performance, stylish design, easy installation, durable construction. Cons: high price tag, limited compatibility, battery-powered. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to buy the Moen S75005 Evser's Neo comes down to your individual needs and budget. If you're looking for a cutting-edge faucet with all the bells and whistles and you're comfortable with the price tag and potential tech hurdles, then this could be a good option for you. However, if you're on a budget or prefer a simpler faucet, there are plenty of other great options available. And there you have it, our ranking of the best 3 stainless steel pull-down kitchen faucet. Whether you're aiming for a modern, minimalist, or classic vibe in your kitchen, the best 3 stainless steel pull-down kitchen faucets have you covered. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home improvement content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!